Today we are looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss in sterling gray metallic. This truck is powered by a 2.7-liter TurboMax engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we'll highlight are these jet black leather seats. These seats contain heating in the front row. This jet black theme is followed throughout the entire vehicle, all the way to your steering wheel, which holds controls for cruise control, a heated steering wheel option, and more. Behind the steering wheel to the left, you'll find your windshield wiper controls, as well as your high beam controls. As we jump on in, behind the steering wheel, you'll find your digital gauge cluster. In the center of the dash, you'll find your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google Maps and Google Assistant. Below this, you'll find your climate control settings. Here, we have our auto start-stop button, hazard lights, and lane assist, as well as 2 USB charging ports and a wireless charging pad. Beside the gear shifter, you'll find your drive mode selector. On the driver's left-hand side, you'll find power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as your trailer brake setting. As we take a look at the exterior, you'll notice many of these trim options are fitted in black, including the rear bumper, these gloss black aluminum wheels, door handles, and window fittings, as well as these tinted rear windows. As we head towards the cargo bed, you'll notice assist steps on the corners of the rear bumper, allowing for easy storage of cargo. We can release our power-assisted tailgate to showcase this cargo bed. The rear seats are split in a 60-40 bench fashion, which means both sides can come up like this one, extending your cargo room. Your rear passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom and cup holders. And that is the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss in sterling gray, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.